Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to make a rough sketch of the graph of the function y is equal to 2 times 1 minus e to the x. We're not going to use a calculator, we're just going to use the graphs given in figures 3 and 13. Here we have y equals e to the x, and using the transformations of section 1.3. So we're going to rewrite this in a way that makes it more clear what the transformations we have to do are. So this is equal to distributing y equals 2 times 1 is 2 minus 2 times e to the x. And rearranging this, we have y is equal to negative 2 e to the x plus 2. So moving outward from the variable, first thing we have to do is multiply by 2. So what does that do? Well, we're multiplying outside of the function, right? It's not e to the 2x. This means we have a vertical stretch by a factor of 2. Next, we have this negative sign. Again, it's outside of the function, it's not e to the negative x, therefore reflecting over the x-axis. Then finally, we're adding 2, which means we go up 2 units. So we have 3 steps here. First is a vertical stretch. So towards the 0 values that the function reaches as we go more negative, the function is going to look basically the exact same. Right, you're not going to be able to see the difference between 1 and 2% over here. However, instead of 0, 1, we go through 0, 2, since it's stretched twice as high. And in the positive values, it goes up twice as fast. Other than that, it's the same general shape of the graph. Then we reflect over the x-axis. So 0, 2 becomes 0, negative 2. It still approaches 0, but it looks something like this. I'm going to erase. The reason I'm doing this in pencil is because I can erase these intermediate functions as we go. Finally, we're moving up 2 units. I get pen again because it's the final function. So 0, negative 2 becomes 0, 0. And instead of approaching 0, we move up 2 and it approaches 2. Everything else stays the same, it goes off towards infinity. Now we can finally erase the last intermediate function, and we have the graph of our new function, y equals 2 times 1 minus e to the x, based off of the original graph of y equals e to the x, and applying the transformations.